that has been intensifying, where ally Congress party has also waded in, slamming the Aam Aadmi party, saying that the party is indulging in vote bank politics. This is how we mentioned, as far as when it comes to the relations between the Aam Aadmi party and the Congress party is concerned, is estranged when it comes to the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections.
ये सब इस समय जो भी आतिशी कर रही हैं या आम आदमी पार्टी कर रही है, ये सब चुनाव के तहत है। ये चीज़ें पहले से होती आती हैं। मुझे मालूम है, मैं भी सरकार में रहा हूं, जो मंदिरों को या इलीगल इमारतों को या सड़क के कारण या किसी और के कारण मंदिरों को शिफ्ट करने की या उनको हटाने की जो कमेटी होती है, उसका एक तौर तरीका होता है। उसमें सरकार के भी लोग बैठते हैं। सरकार के अधिकारियों पर इनका कोई कंट्रोल है नहीं, इनको कोई समझ नहीं है क्या चीज़ आनी है क्या चीज़ नहीं आनी है। और अब एक नया चीज़ इन्होंने पिछले 2 साल में ले ली है कि हर चीज़ जिसमें इनको लगता है कि इनको वोट नहीं मिलेगा या वोट असर हो जाएगा, उसकी फाइल एक एलजी साहब के पास भेज देते हैं और खुद जो चाहे वो करते रहते हैं। मुझे इसमें कोई गंभीरता आतिशी जी की तरफ से दिखती नहीं है।
Well, Tetshi, looking at the politics that has been taking place just before the elections, Congress party also here has been taking on the Aam Aadmi party one by one, saying that this is nothing but vote bank politics, however, not really commenting on the very issue when it comes to demolitions of religious structures.
Well, absolutely. You see, now the India bloc allies are also hitting out at Aam Aadmi Party, not just on the issue of the demolition, but also on the issue of the schemes that Aam Aadmi Party has been launching. As we yesterday saw, that not just the Congress Party, who has been an ally of India bloc, an ally of Aam Aadmi Party in India bloc, and not just Congress Party, but also the left parties have been criticizing and calling it as a political stunt. And not just that, but also there are other opposition parties within the or also calling, in fact, that it will be a disaster to the economy of the national capital as and when the schemes will be implemented after the Aam Aadmi Party wins the elections. Number one. Number two, if we talk about this particular demolition, yes, now we are also seeing that Congress Party is also hitting out at Aam Aadmi Party, calling it out a war of words. And in fact, not just that, just ahead of elections, such kind of stunts are being played. We just heard the Congress leader who also in fact was not seeming to be much in favor of what Aam Aadmi Party has been doing or the kind of letter that has been written. Also, let me highlight you the fact that there was a meeting of religious committee that was held in the month of November, in which decision was taken to remove to either demolish certain religious constructions.
Because it is the first day of 2025, and it seems that the face-off between the two, or rather the 3 political parties that are now witnessing intensive political battle with the upcoming Delhi elections. Thank you very much for the moment, Tetshi, for